Guys, look where I am. I gotta go in and try this burger. Been hearing a lot about it. I gotta go in. Bless up YouTube. I'm here again with an awesome video. We're gonna get a mukbang done today, courtesy of Popeyes Chicken, the famous restaurant. So guys, it's a little late. I don't have the proper lighting, but I had to get it done. Guys, let's see what's up. Enjoy the video. Yes, YouTube, big up on yourself. By the length I had to go to get this Popeye, I had to figure out how this thing tastes. I see this on YouTube all over. I'm here with Ashley. Boy, she couldn't even wait. She started eating already. Ashley, since you started before me, how is the taste? How does it taste?
It has a spicy, crunchy taste.
Describe it to me.
The pickles inside are juicy, but I don't really like it. The whole burger tastes delicious. I would recommend it to you.
Yeah, man. Ashley gave her opinion. She said she don't like it. Well, I'm gonna give my opinion now and get the first taste. Let's see what they have in the bag. Did you get any sauces, Ashley? Mm-hmm. So where's mine? Okay, thank you. All right, what kind of sauce is this? Let's see. Ketchup and more ketchup. I thought they had some different special sauces or something like that. But anyway, let's try it. All right. I've been waiting for this a long time. I'm gonna see what's up with this thing now. All right, here we go. It's tender. It's a little dry. It's spicy, but I think I like it. It's not bad.
Bruh.
Let me try again. Well, get some juice. Give me a second. Well, guys, I'm telling you, if you haven't tried Popeye's chicken burger in Jamaica, I think it's good. I think it's excellent. My daughter, she said it's not nice, but check her out. She's eating it all up. Let me try the fries. It's spicy, but they season it up with some spices. But it's not that bad. Yeah, guys, like I said, the fries are very spicy also. They season it with all type of pepper and different spices. I can't really tell what it is, but it's pretty good. I like it. The burger, like I said, is tender. It's very hot. It's very spicy. Not bad. Ashley, tell the truth. How's your burger? Tell the truth. You said you don't like it, but I see over there, you're eating it all off.
It's alright.
Yeah. Is it better than KFC's burger?
No.
Really? What's the name of the burger on KFC again?
Western Zinger.
The Western Zinger? You like that better? Well, guys, I finally see what the fuss is all about. I love it and I recommend it. Jamaican Popeyes, I'm telling you, I drove around looking for this all over the place. I had to get my opinion on this, but guys, I love it. Yeah, man. It's not something that you can live on every day, but now and then you can get a taste out of it. Right, Ashley? So I recommend it. Jamaican Popeyes is not bad at all. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you again. Peace.